Welcome to Big Fish Social Media, Tips and Secrets. So in today's video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a free Facebook cover banner. Step 1. So first of all, what we're going to need to do is set up a free canva.com account. Don't worry, this is completely free and safe. You don't have to enter any card details or payments or anything like that whatsoever at all. So let's dive in and show you first of all what we need to do to set it up.
Okay, so all we do now is go to www.canva.com. Simply go over to the top right hand corner, hit the sign up button, and as it says over here, we can create a free account. You can either log in via your Google account, Facebook account, or you can just sign up with your normal email. So you can just type your name in here, email address and your password and get started. And it's as simple as that.
Step 2. So now you can either design your own banner by uploading your own images or use a template. Let's show you how it's done.
Okay, so now we're in our canva.com account. We can literally come over here to the top right hand corner and create a design. So in this toolbar here, it's really simple. So what we can do is we can start typing in Facebook and it gives us numerous different Facebook options. What we can do is come down here to Facebook cover, which gives us the dimensions in pixels here that we're going to need. We click on that and it creates us here a completely blank canvas. So what we can do, option 1, is maybe use a template. So we could scroll down here, look for maybe a template that we like the look of that may be similar to your specific business, and you can maybe change some of the text that's on there. So let's just take, for example, this one here. Click on it. Obviously the design comes up here. We can obviously double click on the text, highlight it, we can change it, we can type our name in here. Okay, so where it drops down there, we can obviously grab this, make it a little bit bigger and play about with the design. Obviously we can delete this section here if we wanted to, and we can play around with it and make it the way we want. Okay, or what we can maybe do is we might have a background or some kind of imagery that you use for continuity within your brand, for your business, and we can maybe use that and upload that. So what we can do is we come over here to uploads. Okay, I've pre-uploaded a template that I've used previously. You can simply just click upload, go to your computer, to your relevant folder, upload the image that you want to use. So here I'm going to drag this image over and then stretch it out to cover the template. Okay, this part of text here I can delete, and there I can use an image that I've uploaded that's related to my own brand, got my own company logo on. It's really as simple as that. You can play around with the different options here. They've got different photos that you can use. There is a pro version, which is a paid for upgrade. Anything that's got a crown here is pro version. But there's lots of free images and backgrounds and elements that you can choose to use. You can simply type in here what you're looking for. Text, so many different text options with different text fonts, which look really good. You can then look at maybe changing the color scheme, changing the sizing. Also, you don't need to add some music. We've got different backgrounds, so if you'd like to maybe use a blank background and then put your own text over the top, we can scroll through here and look for so many different options. But it's really simple, really easy to use. It's a complete drop and drag system, very simple. All you do once you've finished, okay, is if you come over to this section over here, okay, click your download over here, click the download button, and then it'll download it to your downloads folder on your laptop or your PC. Simple as that.
We hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and secrets.